GoggleWorks exists to transform lives through unique interactions with art. We have a restaurant on site, and a cafe, an independent film theater where you can see daily screenings, 10 studios where art making happens, where people can learn or can, at their own pace, work on projects and material culture. Everything from our ceramic studio, hot glass, photography. We have an incredible wood shop, 3 galleries where you can see rotating exhibitions all year round. We have work in our galleries that showcases the 35 artists on site. Our campus draws about 150,000 people each year, and they come here because they're curious about what happens when art meets community. They're curious about what happens when an old factory building can come to life with a new purpose. It was built in 1851, so you can imagine all the history here. We want the work that we do here to touch our community and those that visit us. So we have this great convergence of artists and people making things and those that come to learn and to see what they make. And so for that, it really builds quite a gem here in downtown Reading